Hi everybody, I'm Misha from Photoland, and I'm talking about my Shutterstock earnings this month. Okay, so you see is the first photo. You can see you sold free items and today. Okay, we'll go into it and see how much you earned from each one. The first one I made 25 cents. Okay, you see what I sold this month. You see how much photos. You see, look. Most of the photos will get sold for 25 cents, but we'll go into the earnings. Last month I paid out the money. In September, you could see it's going up. And yesterday, that means today, the earnings I think they will be checked later in the day. So you see, I have 25 cents, 25 cents, 25 cents. You know, it seems like it's not a lot of money, but it accumulates more and more. So that's it for this website for Shutterstock.